Replace 12 kitchen tools with the Ninja Foodi NeverStick PossiblePan. We're Review to You. We review the latest and greatest products, and when we're done, we give them away free to one lucky subscriber. We'll let you know at the end of this video how you can easily win this product. So how can one pan replace half the kitchen cupboard? Let's take a closer look. With just 4 items, the Ninja Foodi NeverStick PossiblePan claims to be able to do the work of 12 of your favorite cooking tools. There's the 4-quart PossiblePan, an integrated stainless steel steamer/strainer, an 11-inch glass lid, and a plastic spatula that integrates into the lid. There's also a little user guide/recipe booklet for inspiration. It can apparently take the role of a stainless steel fry pan, non-stick fry pan, sauté pan, skillet, saucia, saucepan, steamer, strainer, spatula, cast iron skillet, roasting pan, and a baking dish. It all starts with Ninja's patented Neverstick Technology. Plasma ceramic particles are fused to the surface of the pan at 30,000 degrees Fahrenheit, creating a super hard textured cooking surface. So confident they are, it'll never stick, chip, or flake, Ninja has guaranteed its performance for 10 years. It's oven safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, meaning you can easily bake just as you would with cast iron. You're able to take it from the stove, to the oven, to the table, all without needing to transfer to a different container. When dinner's over, cleanup is as easy as wiping up with a damp cloth. It's even dishwasher safe if you want to take the night off. So what do we like about the Ninja Foodi NeverStick PossiblePan? Its unique design and clever engineering means it's as versatile as it says it is, doing the work of 12 different cooking tools. And the results? Well, they speak for themselves. So, what don't we like? For most dishes and meals for 2, the PossiblePan is perfect. But for a big family, there's some meals it's just a little small for. While technically you can boil pasta and rice in it, you're either going to have tiny portion sizes or spend your time dealing with overflowing water. So, what do you need to know before you go online and buy one? Another Darwin Awards moment, but it has to be said. Like all metals, they retain their heat well. And without a ceramic grip, the handle will be a scorching temperature after cooking. It happens to the best of us, but always remember to use an oven mitt or towel to prevent burning yourself. So on a scale of 1 to 10, what do we score the Ninja Foodi NeverStick PossiblePan? Replaces 12 cooking tools? A 10-year guarantee? We're giving the Ninja Foodi NeverStick PossiblePan a score of 9 out of 10. So, how do you get your hands on one of these? Well, you've got 2 options really. You can follow our purchase link that we've included in the description below and up in the top right and pick one up for only $119.99. Or you could enter the Review to You drawing and try to win ours for free. If you want to win one all for yourself, the rules are very simple. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video, and then leave a comment with the hashtag we showed you in today's video. We then use a highly sophisticated random selector to choose our winner. The winner will be announced right here on the channel exactly a week from now. This has been Review to You, where the only thing we love more than amazing gadgets is giving them away for free to you. Make sure to click that link up on the right to see our current review and giveaways, and then hit that link on the left to subscribe if you haven't already. From Matt and Gary, see you next time.